Hey guys, it's your friend Luan here, and this is a quick demo video of ProfitzToday. In this video, I'm gonna show you how ProfitzToday works and how it will help you to make money online by giving you done-for-you campaigns and the ability to you create your own profitable affiliate campaigns with a few clicks of the mouse. Okay, so I'm gonna log into the software here, and as you can see, when you log into the software, you have 5 powerful done-for-you campaigns. So you can use these campaigns to make money online, okay? And all you need to do is choose one of the campaigns, click create, add your name, your affiliate link that you're gonna use to promote this, and your email, and click create. Then a profitable campaign is created for you. So you can see I can share this campaign on social media and get viral traffic from social media. So this viral traffic module is included, and you can instantly share your profitable campaign page here in social media. So let me show you the campaign page. So I will open here in a new tab, and you can see it's a beautiful bonus page that will allow you to sell the Allure product, okay? Because this is a done for you campaign for Allure. So you have here a beautiful headline, beautiful video, the buttons, the bonuses. So it's everything done for you, okay? Then if you decide to promote any of the other products, you can do as well as just hit create and do the same thing, and it will create a profitable affiliate campaign for you with everything you need, with the bonuses, with the bonus page, with the product. So it's everything done for you, and you have no hard work involved. Okay, so you have those 5 powerful campaigns that are done for you, and they are ready to make you profits. They are proven tested, so they are making sales, they are making money. So you can just copy our campaigns, and boom, you start making money. Is that simple? Also, you can see here you have a bunch of buttons here. You can see your campaigns. You can preview the campaign you are using. You have the bonus delivery URL where you're gonna deliver the bonuses to your customers. You have a request affiliate link that you're gonna use to promote Allure, for example, this done for you campaign. So again, just hit create, add your name, your affiliate link, your email, and the software will deliver a profitable bonus page for you that you can use to promote the product immediately. Also, you can share these campaigns on social media and get viral traffic from it. Okay, so let me show you again how beautiful the page it is. So you can see I have my campaign list here, and you can see everything is there, including bonuses, including buttons, including videos. We did everything for you, so you don't have any work to do, okay? Also, with ProfitzToday, you can create your own profitable campaigns, which this has never been done before in a software, and we did here this ability for you, okay? You will be able to create custom campaigns with your own bonuses, your own pages, in a very, very simple way. All you need to do is click create your own campaign page, and you can see here you have everything drag and drop easy. So I select the template I want, so light or dark. I can go with the light template or dark template, and then I can edit everything. I can edit the headline here. So I can add here, for example, new software adds affiliate campaigns. Okay, I can edit the bullets, I can insert my own video, I can change the button, I can remove those bonuses, add my own bonuses, add image bonuses, change here, change everything really with drag and drop easy, so you can create a profitable campaign in seconds to any product you want. Okay, so imagine that you want to create a campaign for another product that you are promoting, you can do it ProfitzToday. You can even select the image that will appear on social media when you share those campaigns. So very, very powerful stuff, okay? Very, very cool thing that you get done for your campaigns that you can use to make money online today. Also, you can create your own campaigns where you can create campaigns for any kind of product and make money. And also you have a viral traffic module included where you will be able to share those campaigns on social media, get traffic from there, and get money. Okay, so let me save this campaign here. Okay, this campaign is saved now, and you can see I can just add my name again, my affiliate link, my email, and my profitable campaign is created and ready to make money. So let me show you. And here it is with my own headline that I did and the changes I did on the page. Okay, so that's how Profitz Today work. It's made for you to make money. Okay, so it's perfect for newbies, for advanced guys that want to make more money. It's really perfect for everyone. Okay, so Profitz Today, it's the easiest way to get paid online without any hard work involved. You will have no hard work involved with this. You have the done for you campaigns that you can just use to make money. You have the ability to create your own campaigns, and also you have a viral traffic module included that will allow you to get traffic from social media to those campaigns. Okay, more than that, I'm adding a free traffic training and a training on how to create those your own profitable campaigns. So you have nothing left behind. Okay, you have everything here on this app, including training, support, and everything you need. And a side note here, you can create unlimited campaigns. There are no limitations, no restrictions at all. And this is the best product I ever created, and is here for you. Okay, so get inside and let's create those profitable campaigns and make you money. See you later. Bye bye.